Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on an extraordinary journey as we explore 5 captivating lost cities that have captured the imaginations of historians and explorers alike. Before we begin, let's dispel a common belief. Contrary to popular opinion, most sites in ancient Egypt have not been discovered. In fact, astonishingly, less than 1% of these historical treasures have been excavated. So, the world of ancient Egypt still holds countless mysteries waiting to be unveiled. Our first destination takes us back to ancient Egypt's 18th dynasty deep in the desert sands. A visionary pharaoh named Akhenaten founded a city unlike any other, Akhenaten, also known as Amarna. Join us as we delve into the fascinating history of this enigmatic city. The lost city of Akhenaten, situated on the east bank of the Nile, emerged as a revolutionary experiment in religious and political beliefs. During the reign of Akhenaten, the pharaoh sought to challenge the established polytheistic worship of the Egyptian pantheon. Instead, he proclaimed the Aten, the sun disk, as the sole god to be venerated. The city's layout was distinct from others of its time, with the great temple of the Aten at its heart, radiating beams of light in homage to the sun god. The rise of Akhenaten came at a significant cost. Akhenaten's radical religious reforms alienated the powerful priesthood and traditional elites who held allegiance to the traditional gods. As a result, the once mighty city became isolated and embroiled in a crisis of faith. After Akhenaten's death, the capital was swiftly moved back to Thebes, and Akhenaten fell into disrepair, fading from history and leaving its ruins to be buried under the sands of time. Akhenaten's ambitious religious experiment left an enduring legacy in the annals of ancient Egyptian history. Its ruins continue to inspire scholars and intrigue travelers who seek to understand the motivations behind Akhenaten's bold vision. Our next stop takes us to the second intermediate period of ancient Egypt, where the mysterious Hyksos once ruled from the captivating city of Avaris. Let's uncover the secrets of this ancient capital and the cultural exchange it facilitated. Avaris, situated in the fertile Nile Delta, became a vibrant center of commerce and cultural fusion during the rule of the enigmatic Hyksos kings. The Hyksos, believed to have originated from the Levant, ruled over parts of Egypt for a considerable period. Their presence in Avaris influenced Egyptian society, art, and warfare. The city's strategic location and thriving trade networks made it a melting pot of various cultures, where Egyptians, Hyksos, and other foreign merchants intermingled, exchanging goods and ideas. The Hyksos introduced innovative weaponry and chariot warfare to Egypt, significantly impacting the country's military capabilities. However, the Hyksos' rule eventually became a contentious issue for the native Egyptians, leading to a successful revolt led by the Theban kings. Avaris fell to the forces of Seqenenres-Tao and Ahmose I, marking the end of the Hyksos dynasty and the beginning of the New Kingdom. Avaris remains a fascinating archaeological site, providing valuable insights into the interactions between Egypt and its foreign neighbors during one of its most transformative periods. From the Nile Delta, we set our course to the Mediterranean coast to explore the submerged mysteries of Canopus. Once a celebrated pilgrimage site, this city's secrets now lie beneath the waves. In ancient times, Canopus was renowned as a center of spirituality and healing. Pilgrims from across Egypt and beyond made the arduous journey to seek blessings from the Greco-Egyptian god Serapis, a deity that combined elements of Egyptian and Greek religious traditions. The city's main attraction, the Temple of Serapis, stood as a testament to the cultural synthesis that occurred during the Hellenistic period. Under Greek rule, Egypt witnessed the blending of Greek and Egyptian beliefs, with Serapis becoming a prominent figure in this new hybrid religion. However, time and the relentless forces of nature took their toll on Canopus. Today, the ruins of the once great city rest silently beneath the Mediterranean Sea, offering only glimpses of its former glory to those who dare to explore its submerged remnants. Our voyage continues along the banks of the Nile, where we arrive at Memphis, the ancient capital that witnessed the rise and fall of numerous pharaohs. Let's uncover the grandeur of this once mighty city. Founded around 3100 before the Common Era, Memphis emerged as the administrative and cultural epicenter of Egypt. The city housed magnificent temples, including the awe-inspiring Temple of Ptah, where the chief god of Memphis, Pa, was venerated. The necropolis of Saqqat nearby stands as a vast burial ground filled with stunning pyramids, including the iconic step pyramid of Djoser. Memphis was more than just a political capital. It was a hub of artistic innovation and craftsmanship. Skilled artisans created masterful statues, intricately carved reliefs, and precious amulets that adorned the pharaohs and their tombs. However, the sands of time were unkind to Memphis. The rise of Alexandria as Egypt's new capital, coupled with centuries of erosion and construction, eventually led to the city's decline. Today, the ruins of Memphis remain a testament to its once great influence and cultural significance. Memphis was a city of wonders, leaving us with a lasting legacy of art, architecture, and a glimpse into the lives of ancient Egyptians. Our final leg of the journey takes us to the Middle Kingdom, where the ancient city of Ichdawi rose to prominence as the royal capital. Let's uncover the hidden history of this often overlooked city. Situated near the modern-day city of Luxor, Ichdawi was established during the 12th dynasty by Pharaoh Amenemhat I. Its strategic location in the Nile Valley allowed the pharaohs to consolidate their authority over Egypt's vast territories. Ichdawi served as the center of political power and governance. The city housed impressive palaces, administrative buildings, and temples dedicated to the deities worshipped by the pharaohs. It was here that the rulers of the Middle Kingdom reigned and made decisions that shaped the course of Egyptian history. However, like many ancient cities, Ichdawi eventually succumbed to the passage of time and the rise of other centers of power. As Egypt's political landscape shifted, Ichdawi's influence waned, and the city faded into the shadows of history. Ichdawi's story illuminates the complexities of ancient Egyptian politics and the aspirations of pharaohs who sought to establish a lasting legacy for their dynasties. As our journey through the lost cities of Akhetaten, Avaris, Canopus, Memphis, and Ichdawi comes to an end, we reflect on the remarkable stories these ancient marvels have to tell. From Akhenaten's daring religious reforms to the cultural exchange in Avaris, the spirituality of Canopus, the grandeur of Memphis, and the political ambition of Ichdawi, each city contributed to the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian civilization. These lost cities remind us that history is an ever-evolving tapestry, with discoveries still waiting to be made beneath the sands and waters of time. The enigmas of ancient Egypt continue to beckon, inviting explorers and archaeologists to uncover the forgotten chapters of our human story. So let's remain curious and open-minded, for the past still holds countless mysteries waiting to be unveiled. Until our next adventure, fellow explorers, keep seeking knowledge and embracing the wonders of history.